Ricky, look at that little boy. You shouldn't hump your mama, little boy. Ricky, that's... yeah. Here. Hey, sweetie.